far, couldn't manage it. I tried to put it back, too much damages. Thinking that I was outside with too much damn bitches. But you was fucking with him right there, it was under my chin. Damn, she moving sharp like a trim. Left me to go right on the two. Man, she got no standards. Goddamn, I can't stand her. Out with your friends, party to begin. Hope the club going straight to my heart. With a speeding car going straight through the rain. Every day it was filled up with pain. So much things going on in my brain. She took my heart with a speeding car.